Well, today's the day, August 31st, 2023. The 180 to 600 lens is out, and I was able to get mine today. So let's take a look at this. So first unboxing. Paperwork. More paperwork. This is probably the pouch it goes in. Let's take a look. Yep, also the lens hood. Honestly, I thought it'd be a little bigger, but not bad. Here it is. Try not to drop it. And there it is. Oh, that's the 180 to 600. And look at that, it's all internal, so it doesn't come out at all. So I kind of a little bit of a advantage over the 200, 500 I used to use. Let's take a look. So let's set this down. Put the lens hood on just for fun. And there you go. That's the lens without the camera. In here, I have my Z9. I have the 1.4 along with the 100-400 fully extended. Let's take that back down. So side by side, this is going to go out quite a bit further. So for those of you who travel, I think the 100-400 along with the 1.4 is going to be the way to go. There it is, handheld. It's a little heavy, but I think it's doable. Have to take it out. Tonight is a supermoon. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. Let's put the 1.4 on. Didn't add too much, but now we have, what is that going to be, like an 860 lens. Can't wait to see what this will do. See you later.